Renovation set due. We need demolition and new construction plans on one sheet. The page data is already there, but manually configuring all the view filters and overlays what takes forever. This time, I'll pick Opus 4.7. It's the strongest model for complex, multi-step tasks. Here's the prompt: demolition and new plans side by side. Demolished walls in red, new in blue, and existing in gray, all on a new A1 sheet. As you'll see, to guarantee accuracy, BIBIM prompts for clarification before automatically executing the rest of the workflow. Just click Generate Code to begin. As BIBIM thinks through the code, you can see the reasoning process. Once generated, you can apply it instantly or reuse the code for a future project. Done. The log confirms the result. Let's check the model. Demolished walls are red, you're blue, and everything else is correctly grayed out. Two plans are placed in the middle of A1 sheet. I think it's better to fix moving to left. Now, let's bring in the legend to explain the color coding we established earlier. BIBIM recasts a bit more detail to ensure the legend is perfect, then gets back to work on the script. Done. There it is, a complete legend. It includes things before we made it. Now, the text size may need a bit of scaling, but a simple manual adjustment is all it takes to wrap up the renovation set. Just like that, your renovation set is complete and ready to go. Work smarter with BIBIM.